Hi there, welcome to my dinner box packing video. I pack dinner box for my husband who works night shifts. We usually eat Korean home-cooked meal and he wants it to be packed for his dinner as well. Korean home meals usually consist of bowl of cooked sticky rice as main choice of carb, eat it with side dishes called bangkan and soup. In the first container, it's always rice or main choice of carb. Today I'm packing half serving of rice and leftover kimchi pancake. We ordered delivery of Korean soups and kimchi pancake for lunch yesterday. Pancake was too thick and bland we couldn't finish. As a leftover lover, my husband asked me to pack it for his dinner. So I put half serving of rice and filled rest with the kimchi pancake. Second container is for banchans. First banchan is pickled radish. I bought it at Korean market and it's one of my husband's favorites. Next is homemade seasoned pickle. Salt and garlic spinach is also homemade. This spinach is also good to make bibimbap mixed rice with. Here comes our fourth banchan, seasoned bean sprouts. My husband just started working night shifts and having hard time adjusting to new schedule. So I feel bad and want him to at least have a good meal at work. Some might think it's too much but I try to pack as many banchan I can. Sweet and salty black bean is his #1 favorite. I've been making 2 cups worth of batch every week. Lastly, spam kimchi stew goes in. If you comment any of the banchan that you are interested, I will make a video of how I make them and share the recipe. This is how it looks when opened. Hope he has a good day and enjoy his meal. Thank you so much for watching my video. Wishing you all a great day, see you again.